Hey guys, today let's try to fix edited messages not showing on Messenger. So if you want to go ahead and fix this issue that your edit message feature is not showing on the Messenger application, one of the quickest fixes we could actually do to solve this issue is to firstly launch our App Store and make sure that we have the latest version of Messenger installed on our device. Doing a quick search of the Messenger application, making sure as well that you have the latest update, and if you do have an update like this, I'd like you guys to go ahead and proceed with updating your application to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed, giving you the best user experience possible. One more thing we should also do is to double check if we have stable internet connection with our Wi-Fi, because having unstable internet connection with our Wi-Fi could give us some issues like this feature not being available to us. You could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.